extremely lightweight cordless snow shovel. So the nice thing about this one is it has wheels on the bottom. So if you look right here, you have these wheels where it glides across the pavement or whatever you're using, and then it has this little like rake here that pushes the snow into here, and then this pushes it out. So as you're using it, basically you don't have to pick up anything, you know, like usually when you're shoveling, you have to pick up and throw the stuff. Not with this one. Basically you just put it on the ground, and it basically will push the snow or throw the snow ahead of you and away from you. So this is really nice. If you have a deep snow, you want to get out there multiple times. But the best part about this is the weight. It's extremely lightweight. I got one of these for my mom and one of my buddy's moms, and they absolutely love it. It cuts down on the amount of lifting that you need to do. You can just use pretty much with one hand if you want. It does come with a battery. This is a 4 amp hour battery. It's a 20 volt system, which is a pretty powerful system. You know, pretty much everything, the most powerful stuff out there right now, for the most part is 20 volts, and it does come with a charger. It also came with some gloves, which are nice. You know, you put these gloves on underneath your normal gloves, and it came with a nice little toolkit in case you need, but there's really not much maintenance that would be needed on this, so the toolkit probably not that useful. But you know, this is what it is. The battery clips in here very, very easily, and again, it's very light. And I like that it has the wheels on the bottom, so you can just basically push this along. All right, so this is the unit. It does come apart. It has 3 sections. So it has a middle section, which is this section here. It has the bottom, and it has the top. So for storage, when you're not using this during a snowy season, this should work, you know, store very well. So yeah, pretty straightforward, electric, cordless snow shovel. I think you're gonna see a lot of people with these going out throughout the year, and it's just a nice thing to have in your tool arsenal against snow. Check it out. You want to take a closer look. It says about a 12-inch path, but I see this opening is around 10 inches, okay? But yeah, pretty straightforward. You push the button, and it pushes the snow.